In this video, we're going to show you how to clean your printer rails, as well as put on a fresh coat of wax. As you can see here, there is clay dust on the rails. This can cause cars to stutter, causing inaccuracy in prints. We're going to be using some soapy water with a microfiber cloth, Allen keys to take the X-rail off, and cleaner wax. We're going to remove the bat and covers to have better access to the rails. When moving rails manually by hand, make sure that you move them slowly and that the machine is off. We can then remove the X-rail and put it off to the side. You could then give the rails a good wipe down with a little bit of soapy water on a cloth. Be sure to move the positions of the cars after you finish one section of the rail, so you can clean the section that was underneath the car. You can move the belt out of the way slightly to get underneath of it. Next, we are going to apply a very thin coat of wax along the length of the rails. You should not see any globs of wax on the rails. You should only be able to see a very thin sheen when looking at it at an angle. As shown here, the wax is visible on the rail. This is too much wax. You should then go back and wipe any excess off with a microfiber cloth. Using a microfiber cloth for the cleanup of the wax also ensures that it's evenly spread.